Ten things we all need to know about our blood type. Hello everyone, how are you today? We all know that a healthy lifestyle and a proper nutrition, loaded with lots of raw fruits and vegetables, is extremely important for us and our health in general, but did you know that your blood type has an important role for your health and body as well? I think that we all know that there are 4 blood types, A, B, AB, O, and our blood type forms while we are still in the womb, which means that you can't change it in any way later in life. You should also know that many experts around the world claim that each blood type has unique characteristics which can affect weight loss, certain diseases, and even the personality. And yes, the most important thing, knowing the characteristics of a specific blood type can aid in planning the adequate nutrition which will improve your health. Blood type and nutrition. Here's what you need to know. A chemical reaction happens in our bodies during the entire day, and the blood type can be crucial when it comes to digestion or weight loss. You can take this for example. It's highly recommended that people with blood type O consume foods high in protein such as meat and fish. People with blood type A does not require meal consumption at all because vegetables are more suitable for them. And people with blood type B should avoid chicken and consume more red meat. And finally, people with blood type AB will benefit from seafoods and lean meat. Blood type and diseases. Here's what you need to know. Well, mostly because of the different formation of antigens on the surface of red blood cells, every blood type is different. Moreover, this is why every blood group is resistant to one type of disease while being susceptible to some other type. So knowing the characteristics of blood types can aid in prevention of specific diseases. Blood type and personality. Can I ask you a simple question? Did you know that your blood type can affect your personality? Well, of course, and you can take this for example. People with blood type O are considered as extroverts, creative, social, and confident. While people with blood type A are peaceful, artistically minded, and trustworthy. People who are dedicated to their goals, strong, and are independent are usually people with blood type B. And finally, people with blood type AB are reliable, shy, responsible, and like to take care of others. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Blood type and pregnancy. The medical experts also say that women with a specific blood type group have bigger chances of getting pregnant than other types. Moreover, women with AB blood type produce less follicle-stimulating hormone, which helps women to conceive more easily. Blood type and stress susceptibility. Yes, you will be amazed when we tell you that stress tolerance also depends on the blood type. How this works? Well, the experts say that blood type A produces more cortisol, stress hormone. If you have met someone who easily gets furious, it is probably a person with blood type O. Moreover, they have a higher level of adrenaline and need more time to recuperate from stressful situations. Blood antigens. Did you know that blood antigens are not only present in the blood but also in the digestive tract, from the mouth to the colon, and even in the nostrils and lungs? Blood type and abdomen. Yes, you got that right. Some people do not have to worry about their belly fat. Why? Because their blood type will help them, and this won't be a problem for them. People with blood type A digest carbohydrates easily, so these people rarely have belly fat. On the other hand, due to more difficult digestion of carbohydrates, people with blood type O are more prone to belly fat. Blood type and marriage. Here's what you need to do. Well, before you get married, make sure you check your partner's blood type group. Why? Because when it comes to having children, some blood types should not get mixed. For example, people with A and B blood type should not mix. According to the Rh factor, Rh and Rh should not be mixed. Due to this reason, a lot of states require couples who intend to get married to do a blood test first. Blood type and exercise. As we said, people with blood type A are more prone to stress, which means that they have to do some relaxing and calming exercises. Yoga and meditation are highly recommended for these people. And people with blood type B like challenges for their body and spirit, so they tend to perform activities for balance of these two, such as tennis, mountain climbing, and martial arts. Blood type and emergencies. Many experts around the world say that you should always carry some kind of information on you, such as your name, surname, address, phone number and blood type with you. In case of an accident and you are in a hospital, most probably you will need a blood transfusion. Considering the fact that blood can only be accepted from those blood types that are compatible with yours, information about your blood type can be crucial in such moments. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. Thank you and take care.